Unfortunately, due to the previous video, as you saw, the customer wanted to try and get the axle off to change his tyre as well. And yeah, as you saw in the previous video, it was on there really tight. Even all three of us, it was going up in the air. I'm coming back with more tools tomorrow to help him assist that game out. We've cracked it, we've loosened it, but I need more tools and I don't want to break my socket set. I need the actual pry bar to do it properly. But apart from the electrics, we've managed to finish it all off. It's all taped up, all insulated now, nice and clean, tidy. Little whoopsie, we forgot to thread it through that way, but that's a quick rectification. Just unplug and wire it back through. Everything's been nice and tidied up, cleaned up, all the wiring. At some point and come back and just, this is a service I know I can provide for everyone. All these connectors, we can remove the pins, clean them up, and the inside that corroded, we can all put them back together. And obviously any of the dodgy ones we can always replace or just upgrade the connectors as well. We can provide that option. But for now, his job in terms of electrics, it's more or less done. So yeah, everything's been cleaned up. All his brakes was seen down there where it was rubbing. We've put fresh tape and fresh insulation all round. Same down here. I know in future we can do this. The only issue is, as we were tidying up, unfortunately we discovered another boo-boo on the wiring system. It's lucky because no insulation is actually, no copper wiring has actually broken off it, I believe. It's just managed to rub through all the insulation. I'm going to go back to my workshop and go to back to the drawing board, and I'll think of a convenient, more easier way than a Wago to repair that, because it doesn't seem worth breaking it. I might see we can use some electric tape or some liquid tape or something. But for now, obviously I'm marking it over, a bit of red tape, caution. It's not necessary to start the bike, it's just a test adapter, a positive line, but we'll get away with that just for now to test, and it's running. So it's running a bit late tonight, obviously that delayed us quite a bit. But tomorrow, coming straight back tomorrow, we'll put the tank on, nothing, switch it on, we'll have a video of it running, and probably I'll get a fun video up of us trying to get that little one out. But so far as it goes in terms of electrics, the bike's fully running. Just one little thing there, yeah. Problem is, as you work for electrics, the more you deep, the more you find. But as again, another caution, always check your electrics, always try and keep on top of them, because this happens in the darkest of regions where you don't look. You gotta look thoroughly. But until tomorrow, A&B Bikes out.